Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2023 Premier 230 Intrigue. So the 230, 23 feet in length tritoon, the Intrigue, nice upscale tritoon that we have here. So we'll walk you through some of the nice stuff. Obviously you can see it's a nice black on the outside. We did do the wrap and guard on the bottom of this as well. So this wrap right here just looks nice. It keeps the scum off the pontoons themselves, and then a guard on the side here. If you kind of bump into something, it protects your tunes as well. So that's kind of nice to have. We got underwater lights here on the Intrigue, and then obviously the big Merc 4-stroke. This is a 300 horsepower engine, so plenty of power to do any sort of water sports or just take a nice cruise on the lake. So let's go to the interior, take a look at all the options and layouts and colors. All right, welcome to the interior of this 230 Intrigue. So this is the RF or rear facing layout. So back in here, you've got a couple different options actually. So these backrests do move forward and back. They can actually go all the way down. You could make a large bed. You could put this one back here. People could face aft, some people could face forward. It's really nice to have the options for yourself. You got cup holders all along the side here, over there as well. So a lot of time to spend back here. A lot of great area. I really like that. Got a door right here if you need to close that off for anybody. We did do the power bimini, so you press a button and the whole bimini will go out, and then you just lock it right into place once it's all the way out. We got dual helm seats here, both got armrests, they fold back and forward. Really nice option here. Super soft on the vinyl, all the vinyl all the way around, very soft, very nice to sit down on, super comfortable. So on the helm seat, I'll show you, this is a really nice tall chair, so it really supports your whole back, even back your neck and back into your head as well. You've got the bolster seat that pops up, so if you need to get up and above somebody in front of you, you do have that option. Like I mentioned before, we got the 300 horsepower Merc. This is the throttle for it. You can do a push button start, but it is digital throttle, so super smooth action, able to go around docks, lifts, but if you just want to take off, really easy to use. Right here at the steering wheel, we got some nice commands right into here. You can just press the buttons on here for different modes. You got your volume, a couple different things, so real easy right at your fingertips. We got the 12-inch Simrad system. The Simrad has tons of technology in it. You got GPS locations. You've got a bunch of different things in there. If you want to come in, we can go through all this in that Simrad as well. So some other redundant controls that are right below there. You got your LED lighting throughout. You've got some interior just courtesy lighting. I really like this over here. This is our cooled cup holder, so you can put your cup right in there and it's actually cooled, keep your drink nice and cold as well. But really nice designed helm area. They do have a place for your phone as well. It's adjustable, so that's kind of nice. I love that they have the JL audio throughout the boat. You got speakers all the way around. You got a nice subwoofer right in there. So JL is definitely the high end. Sounds amazing when you put that on. There's a changing room that actually pops up right up underneath here. So the changing room's up underneath there if you need to use this to change out of a swimsuit or whatever it is you need to use it for. You got storage in the floor, being that this is a tritoon, so you can put anything that's kind of wet down there, you can do that. You got storage underneath the seats. We do have the removable chair, so this does pop out, and there's storage underneath it. So you got a lot of people that day, you can put this in. If you don't want it, you can actually take it out, leave it at the dock, whatever you want to do. So like I said, very comfortable 23-foot Intrigue. This is here at our Rogers location. If you want to come by and take a look, you can always give us a call, set up an appointment, not a problem. Love to have you out. As always, click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we put out on a daily basis. Thanks a lot.